Hi students, how are you? I think you are well prepared to MSET and NEET examination. Today we are going to discuss about the larval forms. This is a very important topic for MSET and NEET. Okay, let's get started. Larval name and example. First one, Parenchyma larva. It is present in Calcarea. The Calcarea is one of the class of Porifera. Example, Scion. Next one, Trichomella. It is present in Hexactinellida. It is also belongs to Porifera phylum. Example, Euplectella. The Euplectella common name, Venus flower basket, and Hyloneema. Hyloneema is common name, glass rope sponge. Next one, Amphiblastula. It is present in Calcarea. It is also belongs to Porifera. Example of Calcarea, Leucosolenia. Next one, Planula. It is a free swimming larva and ciliated larva. It is present in Cnidaria. Example, Hydra, jellyfish. The biological name of jellyfish, Aurelia. Next one, Cidipede larva. It is present in Ctenophora phylum. Example, Harmifera, Pleurobrachia and Biro. Next one, Muller's larva. Muller's larva bears an apical tuft of cilia. It is present in Turbellaria class. The class Turbellaria belongs to Platyhelminthes. Examples of Turbellaria, Dugetia and Convoluta. Okay, next one, Meracidium, Sporocyst, Ridia, Cercaria. These larvas are belongs to Trematoda class. The Trematoda class belongs to Platyhelminthes. Examples of Trematoda, Fasciola hepatica. This common name liver fluke. Cystosoma hematobium. Common name blood fluke. Next one, Cystocircus larva. It is common name bladder worm. It is present in Cystoda class. Belongs to Platyhelminthes. Example, Tinea solium. Common name pork tapeworm. Echinococcus granulosus. Common name dog tapeworm. Next one, four molting larvas. Best examples of four molting larvas. Second stage of rhabditiform. It is present in Ascaris lumbricoid. Common name roundworm. Next one, third stage of microfilaria. Present in Wuchereria bancrofti. It is common name filaria worm. Ascaris and Wuchereria belongs to Nematoda phylum. Next one, Trochophore larva. It is present in Polychaeta. Poly means many, chaeta means setae. The parapodia which bears many setae. Okay. The main function of polychaetes, that means main function of parapodia, locomotion and respiration. It is belongs to Annelida. Example, Nereis. The common name of Nereis, sandworm. Next one, Trilobite larva. Trilobite larva present in Xiphisura. It is belongs to Chelsirata. It is belongs to Arthropoda phylum. Example, Limulus. The common name of Limulus, king's crab. The respiratory organs of Limulus, book gills. Next one, Velizer larva, a modified trochophore larva. It is belongs to Gastropoda. The class Gastropoda belongs to phylum Mollusca. Examples, Phyla, that means apple snail, Aplysia, common name sea hare, Doris, common name sea lemon. Next one, Trochophore larva, Velizer larva, Glochadium larva. The Glochadium present in freshwater mussel, that is Unio. These three larvae are belongs to class Pelicipoda or Bivalvia or Lamelli branchiata. This class belongs to Mollusca. Examples of Pelicipoda, Mytilus and Pinctada. The Pinctada common name Peraloisters. In Pelicipoda class, radula is absent. Next one, Diplurala. It is a hypothetical larva, ancestor for all echinoderms. Next one, Doliolaria larva. Develops into pentacrinoid larva. It is present in Crinoidea. The class Crinoidea belongs to Echinodermata. Example, Neometra. The common name of Neometra, feather star. Next one, Bipinnaria and Brachyolaria larva. It is present in class Asteroidea. It is belongs to Echinodermata. Examples of Asteroidea: Asterias, the common name of Asterias, starfish. Next one, Ophiofluteus larva. It is belongs to Ophiroidea. The class Ophiroidea belongs to Echinodermata. Examples of Ophiroidea: Garganocephalus, the common name of Garganocephalus, basket star. Okay, next one, Echinofluteus larva. It is belongs to Echinoidea. The class Echinoidea belongs to Echinodermata. Examples of Echinoidea: Echinus, the common name of Echinus, sea urchin. Next one, Auricularia larva. It is belongs to Holothuriidea. The example of Holothuriidea: Holothuria, common name sea cucumber. Next one, Tornaria larva. It is present in class Enteroneusta. The Enteroneusta belongs to Hemichordata. Example, Belanoglasses. The common name of Belanoglasses, acorn worm. Next one, Tadpole larva. It is the free swimming larva present in Urochordata, belongs to phylum Chordata. Examples of Urochordata: Acidia and Pyrosoma. The Pyrosoma exhibit bioluminescence. Next one, Ammosite larva. It is present in Cyclostomata. Example, Petromyzon, the common name lamprey. And last one, Tadpole larva. It is present in frog. It is belongs to class Amphibia. Thank you.